Hello, my strong seniors. Welcome back to day 13 of our 60-day Senior Strength series. If you're new here, this series is designed especially for people over 60 to help you stay strong, steady, and confident. So grab your chair, find a comfortable space, and let's begin. Exercise number 1. Chair, sit, and stand, 50 reps. All right, my strong seniors, let's begin our first exercise of the day, the chair, sit, and stand. This move is one of the most powerful and simple ways to build strong legs, improve your balance, and help you stay independent in daily life. Stand right in front of your chair. Make sure it's sturdy and does not move. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Now, slowly bend your knees, sit down gently, and then stand back up tall. Keep your back straight, tighten your core, and remember, try not to use your hands for support. Use the strength of your legs. Let's begin together, nice and steady. Take a deep breath in, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Keep your posture tall. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep breathing, in through your nose, out through your mouth. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there, you're doing amazing. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Feel that power building in your thighs and knees. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Don't stop now. Keep pushing. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You've got this. Just 10 more to go. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Almost there. Stay with me. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Fantastic work. You just completed 50 full sit and stand repetitions. Feel that strength in your legs. That's your muscles thanking you for staying active. If you managed all 50 reps, type in the comments, "I did it," and tell me, which country are you exercising from today? I love seeing seniors from all over the world moving together with us. Take a short breath, grab a sip of water, and get ready. We'll move to exercise number 2 next. Exercise number 2, seated leg raises, 50 reps each leg. All right, my strong seniors, let's move on to our second exercise, seated leg raises. This simple yet powerful movement strengthens your thighs, hips, and knees and helps improve your balance when walking or climbing stairs. Sit tall on your sturdy chair. Keep your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands gently on the sides of the chair for support. Now slowly lift your right leg straight in front of you. Hold it for 1 second and then lower it down gently. Remember to keep your breathing steady and your core tight. We will do 50 repetitions on the right leg and then switch to the left leg. All right, let's begin together. Ready? Here we go. Right leg. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great start. Keep that leg steady. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You are halfway there. Stay strong. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Feel your thigh muscles working. You're doing amazing. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Almost there. Don't stop now. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Final stretch. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Nearly done. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent job. Now relax that leg, shake it gently, and take a breath. Time to switch to the left leg. Ready? Let's go. Left leg, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful pace. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Halfway there, you're stronger than you think. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Hold steady, keep lifting. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep smiling, you're doing great. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Almost there. Last effort. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Finish strong. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Fantastic work! You've completed 100 total leg raises, 50 on each leg. How are those legs feeling today? If it's your first time or day 13 like me, tell me below in the comments. And don't forget to share this video so your senior friends can stay strong and healthy with you. Exercise number 3, ankle flex and point, 50 reps. Excellent work, my strong seniors. Now it is time for our third and final exercise of the day, the ankle flex and point. This movement is gentle but very important. It keeps your ankles flexible, improves blood circulation in your legs, and helps prevent stiffness in your feet and calves. It also supports your balance when walking and standing for long periods. Stay seated comfortably on your sturdy chair. Sit tall with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Now extend both legs slightly forward so that your heels are resting on the floor. Next, flex your toes toward your body. Hold for a moment, then point your toes away from you. Each flex and point counts as one repetition. We are going to complete 50 repetitions together. Ready? Let us begin. Counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice and slow. Feel that gentle stretch in your calves. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep breathing deeply and stay relaxed. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. Great job. Feel that movement keeping your joints young. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Stay steady. Keep both feet moving together. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Wonderful. You are doing amazing. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You are almost done. Final push. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, just 5 more. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Beautiful work, everyone. You have completed all 50 repetitions of the ankle flex and point exercise. Your feet and calves should feel light, warm, and relaxed. These small movements keep your circulation strong and your ankles flexible, a simple secret to staying mobile and confident every day. If you finished all 50 reps with me, write in the comments I did it and tell me, how are your ankles feeling right now? Do not forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can keep their joints healthy and young too. Take a deep breath, stretch gently, and get ready for tomorrow, because day 14 will bring us even more strength and stability together. Beautiful work today, everyone. You've just completed day 13 of our 60-day leg series. If you finished all 50 reps, write in the comments, I did it. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can stay active with you. Take a deep breath, stretch a little, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 14. Stay strong and keep smiling.